All right, let's look at some helpful hints for a Tuesday daily language review. So, number one, complete the sentence with the appropriate intensive pronoun. Well, an intensive pronoun is a pronoun that's intensified, and to intensify it, you have to add self or selves. So, first, you need to do this by figuring out what our sentence is about or who our sentence is about. The team planned the trip blank. So we're talking about the team. The team is a group of people. So what is a pronoun that can replace the team? And then we have to add self or selves. That should be your answer. Number two, which of the following could be tentative? Your birth date, a lunch date, a gesture, or a suggestion? Well, what does tentative mean? Tentative means that, it can come at different times. All right, so let's look at some helpful hints for our Tuesday daily language review. So, number one, complete the sentence with an intensive pronoun. First, we need to know what an intensive pronoun is. Well, an intensive pronoun is a pronoun that is intensified using self or self. So, you're taking the pronoun and you're adding self or self to it. So, the team planned the trip. Well, first, we need to figure out who or what our sentence is about. The team. This is actually called our antecedent. This is what the pronoun is going to refer to, is the team. So we need to figure out a pronoun that means a group of people that could replace the team, and then you add self or selves to it. That should be your answer. Number two, which of the following could be tentative? Well, tentative is something that could like not happen or actually happen. It's something that could not be certain. Okay. So, for example, our choices are your birthday. Well, your birthday is always going to be on the same day. B, a lunch date. Well, maybe sometimes you could say different times. Someone can show up at 12, or maybe they're running a little late. C, a gesture. That's actually doing something nice for someone. Or B, a suggestion. Some people can take your suggestion, some people can not take your suggestion. So, which of the following can be tentative? All right, for number three, you're going to list words that contain the Greek and Latin root auto, which means self-directed within. So you are coming up with words that have auto in it. So it should start with auto blank, okay? And you should find at least, three of those. That would be great. Number four, you are to circle the vague pronoun, then rewrite the sentence so that the meaning is clear. Here's our sentence. Daisy picked up my sister after school. After she finished practice. So, our vague pronoun is a pronoun that we don't know who it is specifically addressing. So, my suggestion to you is to always find your pronouns. Well, our two pronouns are my, and our other pronoun is she. Okay. Well, we know my is referring to sister. So that only leaves us with one pronoun left that's vague. So what you want to do is take out that pronoun and you want to choose who she's picking up after practice is finished. And you want to rewrite the sentence or retype the sentence, taking out she and adding in another noun. And then choose a matching analogy. These are your connection words. So you have verse is to song. Well, a verse is inside of a song. So let's look and see if we can find the same connection. A, an engine is to car. Is an engine inside a car? B, mop is to broom. Is a mop inside a broom? C, store is to bank. Is a store inside a bank? Or D, sock is to coat. Is a sock inside a coat? All right, use these helpful hints to help you answer your questions for Tuesday.